All right, George, here we go. It's the first attempt at this, so we'll see how it goes. But what I wanted to do is make some videos and show how I play the game, in case anybody's curious. I'm addressing my communications to my team leader, George, because I think he might be one to watch this. So I wanted to start with a round that ended in the number 1, because it's a 10-round cycle in the game. So in round 1, it's a 1-level game. It doesn't have any multiplier like some of the rounds do. So let's just begin and see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and play. All right, the first thing I do is sort of look at the board and say, how are we going to clear this? First thing is we got to get these boxes gone, so we got to get a lot of red, we got to get a lot of blue to clear down here, and we want to create mass destruction. So I have a Super Ball already. So let's see if we can take that Super Ball and add a multiplier, which we can do. And so let's try that and see what happens there. Okay, lucky enough to get another Super Ball. Gonna go ahead and use that. See what that leaves me with. Still need a bunch of red. So again, we're just looking for mass destruction to kill as many as we can. So always looking for a Super Ball. Not seeing one. I'm just going to try and create continual mass destruction here. See what happens. Okay, I can make that. Now I've got a combo I'm going to use. So we're getting down to 15, so I'm starting to get a little concerned. So I think we're okay. Let's see. I don't see a Super Ball possibility here. We got to get that curtain open so we see what we're dealing with. Now I definitely want to get 2 blues on this one to clear that and see what we're dealing with there. So let's go ahead and do that, which will also give me that combination. All right, so now we know what we got. We got to hit these down here. I think it's 3 times. So let's start with this and see what happens. Okay. Again, combo of mass destruction. I don't see a Super Ball possibility. Let's do this. Down to 11. When I get down under 10, that's when I really start to get nervous. But I think we're still in decent shape here. I have a Super Ball. I want to pair that with something, and the question is, how am I going to make that happen? Let's try this. Now, I'd much rather have a missile or a spinner than a bomb, because a bomb's only going to get the first row down here. But I don't see that possibility, so let's take the bomb and see what we have. Okay, that's pretty good. I can do 2 spinners with a bomb by creating that, doing this. Well, that may screw up the other one. Bomb with a spinner. Bomb with a spinner. Bomb with a spinner with additional bonus there. And a spinner. Look at that, we cleared the round.